What's going on, YouTube? Working on a 2011 e70 BMW, doing FRM repair with the IM608. That's what it looks like. Doesn't have to be good or anything. I'm coming here, hit start. Save it, I already did to make sure it worked. So I'm just gonna come in here and you can see the lights flashing there. That's all it is. That easy. You plug it in, put BMW software into it, walk away, you're good to go. Hope this helps. Yo, fix out.